Hi, it's Hannah, and I just wanted to start out with a quick disclaimer. When I filmed this video, I was so excited because this effect looks so cool, so I really rushed into it without being fully educated and made the mistake of using liquid crystal over regular polish. I reached out to the company and they state that it's for use on artificial nails to be on the safe side, even though there are no known complications at this time with using it in nail art. I wanted to bring this to everyone's attention since your safety is super important to me and I don't want you to make the same mistake I did. I love trying out new things, so the purpose of this video is to see how it works, if it would work for me, and to share my personal experience. So if you're thinking of trying this or any product in general in the future, I recommend to do your research so you can make your own educated choice if you want to go through with trying it out. Hey, maybe we could get Simply Nailogical in on this since she's so good at testing stuff out. What do you think? Okay, I'm done. Anyways, Solar Color Dust also sent me their material data safety sheet for liquid crystal. So if you'd like to get a copy for yourself or have any other detailed questions about the product, be sure to send them an email. And with that being said, let's get started. So what this is a thermochromic ink that changes color based on temperature. I'm going to use black as a base since the colors show up best on a darker surface. Then I'm going to apply the liquid crystal to my nail using a flat brush. I tried this out with a thin brush as well, but I had more of a streaky effect. With the flat brush, I use a subtle stippling motion so that I can apply it somewhat evenly. I prefer the results when doing it this way. I waited about 10 minutes or so for it to fully dry, and once it does, you'll see the colors appear. Then I just sealed it in with a top coat. To make the color shift, I'm using a hairdryer, but I definitely saw them change on their own. Sometimes they were a dark blue and black, and then a couple minutes later, they would be a rainbow of colors. Alright, so that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!